This is just an update. This is the fig tree. If you guys remember how small it was, and it was just a cutting I got from out there on the roadside. Alright, in these boxes, if you remember, I got cucumbers in here. These are the long cucumbers. Starting to get something on there already. Also have some callaloo in there. Okay, the next box, the herb garden. Remember my little herb garden? Oregano, I got two different kind of oregano. We got parsley, we got cilantro, thyme, basil, rosemary. Lavender. So this is how big it got. Everything is growing real great. All right, nectarine. I picked some. Got them falling off. Tree's doing great. Bombay mango. This is in pot. Is doing great. This is the hog plum. Doing great. The apple. Pineapple. Tree's doing good. June plum. Still got 2 on there left. Pimento. These are guineps. Like I told you guys before. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I might just get rid of them because they're not really growing like that. Ginger I got coming up. If you guys remember, I have 3 different kind of potatoes in here. I have, which needs to be picked. I need to get in there and get those. That's the Irish potatoes. That's the red one. This is our regular Jamaican sweet potato, and this is the American sweet potato. Over here, something new to the list. I have some papaya tree. These are what you call dwarf papaya. And lettuce. I'm gonna let the lettuce grow, and I'm gonna let them leaf up like we've been doing. Because last year I did that, and I got some good seeds back. As you know, I got the kale in the back, green kale, I got red kale, Swiss chard. I picked some of those Swiss chard and I cooked some, and see they're growing back already. In between I have callaloo. I planted some red peas in between today. Callaloo over here. Another set of cucumbers. These are the long cucumbers. I got a red peas plant all in there. This is more callaloo. My rosemary tree. Now, this is just an update. See back there, we got the collard greens. Over here, these are my red sweet peppers. You see they're budding up. I got some on there. Just giving you guys an update. Do you remember these? Bud pepper or bird pepper. Got callaloo. Over here is the persimmon tree. Got some persimmon. They're getting pretty big. The peach. The peach. Over here we have they call it cayenne pepper, and the tomatoes. They're blossoming pretty good. Alright folks, this is it. Remember I told you I use the hottest peppers in the world for my jerk sauce. Okay, over there we have the Carolina Reaper. Trinidadian scorpion pepper. Over here you have the chocolate reaper. And that one in the middle is our fruit own Scotch bonnet. Alright, today I got these right here. They had them in the store and they was dying, so I told them sell them to me. I'll try to save them. So down here, these are all ghost peppers. And you got 2 habanero back there. Habanero look a little bit like Scotch bonnet, but they're a little bigger. Yes, this is all my callaloo suckers I'm still taking from here and planting all over the place. Over here I planted some bok chow yesterday, some bok chow seeds. This, I starting to separate them. To be honest with you, I had these seeds here with no label on them. So I plant them to see what they are. These are the dwarf papaya. I plant them here and I transplant them into pots. Over here is the blackberry. Tree's getting loaded. On this I have 4 different things on this. I have the raspberries. I have grape. I have 2 different kind of grape on here. I have muscadine and I have regular green grapes. The grapes are coming, but I gotta dig in there to find something to show you guys. Over here, the sorrel tree. They might come along nice. Corn tree. The cantaloupes, they coming good. Matter of fact, they're killing my corn. It's alright though. And I have watermelon in here too. Over here, the callaloo, gungo peas, and callaloo. Again, thanks to Lala. It's your girl Lala for sending me the gungo peas seeds. They're coming along real great. While I'm home this week, I'm going to transplant the jackfruit tree into a bigger pot. The pear tree into a bigger pot. This I have for about 3.5 years now. So I'm going to transplant that into a bigger pot. And the aloe, they're just springing back up nice. Soursop tree, doing good. And I thought the Julie mango tree was gonna die, but it's springing back up nice. Like I said, this mango tree right here, I bought it and I planted. I don't know what kind of mango it is. So, and it's been butter in itself for the past 3 years. East Indian mango, they coming along real nice. I have one pot here that I'm gonna transfer one of those, either the jackfruit or the pear, and I have another one over on here. The banana tree, they're doing pretty good. They do have bananas, but like I said, they're in pots and I have to put them inside in the winter time, so I don't even think they're gonna grow any taller than this, but it's just having them. You know, I just love having my little fruit trees. I didn't know the June plum was gonna grow, but it did. You know, it bear. So you never know. Again, this is an update on my little farm. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.